Hello and welcome. Thank you for tuning in to another exciting episode on We Are Ghanaians. Today we are opening the doors, literally, to a fantastic opportunity. For the next several minutes, we'll be walking you through our premium UK imported doors that combine top quality with unbeatable prices. Whether you're a homeowner, a builder, a developer, or an investor, stay with us because what you are about to see could transform your next project. And remember, at the end of this video, I'll introduce you also to an exclusive real estate opportunity you won't want to miss. Now, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, We Are Ghanaians, and turn on notifications so you never miss our updates on premium home products and real estate opportunities in Ghana. And now to the business of the day. Today we are at Anri Company Limited, and here at Anri Company Limited, our mission has always been simple: bring world-class home products to Ghana at prices people can actually afford. When we looked at the door market here, we saw two problems: doors that were affordable but very low quality, and doors that were high quality but too expensive or slow to import. So we built direct partnership with leading manufacturers in the United Kingdom. The result? UK imported doors, built to British standard, shipped directly to Ghana, ready for you to install. These doors are crafted for strength, security, durability, weather resistance, and beautiful design, and they perform superbly in Ghana's climate. So you can see that here at Anri Company Limited, we don't just have one or two models, we have an entire catalog. Solid timber doors for classic elegance, contemporary panel doors with clean lines for modern homes, glass insert doors that bring light into hallways and offices, security doors with reinforced frames and locks for maximum protection, interior and exterior options in multiple sizes. We've curated styles that match Ghanaian taste but meet UK quality standards. You can walk into our store in Prampram and actually see, touch and feel them. No waiting, no guesswork. Now, here's the part that surprises people most: our prices. Because we buy in bulk and work directly with UK factories, we are able to pass huge savings on to you. That means whether you are finishing your personal home, outfitting an Airbnb, or supplying an entire housing estate, we will get premium doors at prices that make sense. We serve both retail customers, individuals who need one or two doors, and wholesale customers, contractors or developers needing dozens at a time. Another headache in the market is waiting. Many importers will show you a brochure and then say, "We'll give you 8 weeks." With us, you don't have to wait. We keep a large inventory in stock right here in Ghana, different sizes, finishes and accessories, all ready to load and deliver to your site. So you can plan your projects with confidence, knowing your doors will be available exactly when you need them. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on opportunities like this. Buying from us is simple. Call or WhatsApp us at 0244 614 681 or 0545 970 424, or email us at anyangberkokenneth@gmail.com. Tell us what you're looking for, your quantity, your style, and your finish. We'll confirm availability, pricing, and delivery. We can even arrange professional installation so your doors are fitted correctly and look stunning. We've supplied UK imported doors for single homes, apartments blocks, hotels, and even large gated communities. Customers tell us their visitors always comment on the quality and look of their doors, and they love the peace of mind that comes from strong security and reliable locks. One contractor recently finished an estate using our doors and saved both time and money compared to their previous supplier. Another homeowner outfitted her entire Airbnb in Accra with our UK imported doors and says guests constantly compliment them. Our doors are premium quality, built to UK standards. Beautiful styles, classic, modern, security, glass insert. Unbeatable prices, wholesale and retail. Last stock, no waiting for shipping. Easy purchase process, just call, WhatsApp or email us. If you're ready to upgrade your home, hotel, apartment or estate with high quality UK imported doors at affordable prices, call us today or email us. Stay tuned because in just a moment we'll talk about something even more exciting, an exclusive buy to let offer right here in Prampram. For those looking for an opportunity to live in Ghana and earn rental income at the same time, here is the offer. Finally, I mentioned to you about a buy to let opportunity right here in Prampram. Now that you've seen how we are transforming homes with our UK imported doors at Anri Company Limited, let me introduce you to something even bigger, all from the same mother company. A chance to own a land and a ready foundation for your own apartment in Ghana. Imagine arriving in Ghana and instead of booking hotels or renting someone else's place, you step into your own 2-bedroom apartment. Everything is ready, built on a solid foundation. All you need to do is to furnish to your taste. When you're not in Ghana, you can rent it out as an Airbnb and earn income. How about that, huh? It's a true buy-to-let model designed for busy people who want a safe, ready investment at home. Whether you are a Ghanaian or a diasporan in the UK, in the US, in Spain, in Germany, wherever you find yourself, in Vietnam, in South Africa, or anywhere in the world, this opportunity is for you. It's not only for Ghanaians. Whether you're a Jamaican, this is the right opportunity. This is a 3-unit, 2-bedroom flat foundation. This development is more than just land and a structure. It's a mini community designed around comfort and convenience. A salon on site to keep you looking your best. A wellness clinic so health services are always nearby. A mini mall for daily shopping. A soundproof restaurant and club for night outs without leaving the compound. You get privacy, security, and amenities all within walking distance. Here at Anri Company Limited, we know many people abroad want a home in Ghana but worry about supervision, building quality, and legal paperwork. With our foundation ready plots, you get verified title land, a foundation already built for a 2-bedroom apartment, a plan that allows you to finish construction at your own pace or have it completed for you, clear documentation so you can feel confident every step of the way. You can also invest now, lock in your price and develop later, or move quickly and have a finished apartment ready for your next visit to Ghana. Now the cherry on the cake is that when you are abroad, your apartment doesn't have to sit empty. With the rise of tourism and business travels, well-located Airbnbs are in high demand. This environment with a salon, wellness clinic and mini mall and a soundproof restaurant or club is exactly the kind of place visitors love. That means your property can generate steady rental income while you are away, helping it pay for itself. Getting started with us is so easy. Just like with our UK imported doors, we are only a phone call or email away. Kindly contact the numbers on the screen for a swift deal. Tell us you are interested in the land with foundation or buy-to-let opportunity. We'll walk you through viewing the site in person or virtually, understanding the documentation, choosing your payment plan, planning how to complete and furnish your 2-bedroom apartment. We can also connect you with trusted professionals for finishing, interior design, and Airbnb management. Don't wait until prices rise or stock runs out. If you are serious about quality doors or owning a ready foundation property in Ghana, reach out to us today. And remember, for brand deals or sponsorships, you can also reach us on those same numbers or emails. We look forward to welcoming you to our family of satisfied customers and proud property owners. Thank you for watching. Thank you for supporting We Are Ghanaians. And stay tuned for more videos showcasing the best, very best opportunities in Ghana. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and feel free to share this video so others can see what we have here in Ghana. Thank you so much for staying this far with me. This is We Are Ghanaians, bringing you nothing but the best, and hope to see you in the next video. Bye.